Speech is power, speech is to compel, speech is to motivate, and speech is to persuade. Organized by the Soft Skills Department, Master Orator is a blend of passion, speech, confidence, oratory skills, and to be clubbed with conviction. The intent of this Master Orator is to create a learning environment for Narayana students where they develop their opinions, they express their thoughts. At the same time, they are able to articulate using their body language and appropriate language. And how it has been scaled up is conceptualized as a contest. And this Master Orator contest goes through multiple rounds where students have to go through group discussions, jams, presentation skills, and many more. With that, it comes to a point where the journey of the student begins from being a participant to come to a qualifier winner level, and where they are evaluated by the panel of experts. The journey is not easy, but at the same time, it's absolutely fruitful and give them a holistic approach in their future. Thank you.